Hi there, Coldstream people. Thought I'd just send along a little video just to recap where we got to the last time we were together, and I'm really looking forward to getting together with you on Thursday. We looked at a couple of chords in no particular order. The D chord, first finger on the third string, second finger on the first string of the second fret, both in the second fret, and the third finger on the second string of the third fret. And there's our D chord. Just to show you here, we can only play a D chord from the fourth string down. That's an open D string. Right, so see the difference between the thumb sound and the fingernail or the pick sound. And we then also took a look at an A chord, where you have to squish your three fingers into the fourth string, the third string, and the second string. And as you can see with my fingers, it's a good idea to go on a sort of diagonal way. There's our A string. This fifth string here is an A string. So we can play from the A string. We probably don't want to sound the E string in a good A chord. So there we go. When you shape your chord, just get into the habit of just checking that all the necessary strings ring out, and that's good. Some of you, I think, were working on the A shaped this way, just with one finger covering those three strings. You've got to be a little careful with this first string though, because it becomes muted if you do it that way, but it is a okay, valid way to play it if you're moving along quickly. So we have D, and we have A, and we also learned the chord of E minor, which is nice and simple. One of the very first chords that anybody ever learns, the fifth string and the fourth string. And because we're in an E minor shape, this is an E string, this low one, and we can play all of those strings. The other thing we did was to strum in time. We 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our A chord. And our D chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish on the dark minor. The other thing related to strumming that we talked about was maybe adding some upstrokes, and we just about got to this point. So let's work on an E minor. You can hear the upstroke just catching the strings. It's not a big catch. It's more like just a pull, sort of getting these higher sounding strings down here. So the pattern for this strum is down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The final thing, the nasty F chord, we cover those two strings with our first finger. We get our middle finger into that third string on the second fret, and our third finger onto the fourth string of the third fret, and it is a kind of tricky chord. Play the first four strings, and there's our F. Okay, more on Thursday. Hope this works for you. See you soon.